Hi, I'm Diane at Williams Toyota Lift, and today I want to show you one of our very favorite light kits. We call this our LED Armor Light Kit, and that is because it basically gives your forklifts an armor of light all the way around it to help any pedestrians in the area see exactly where they need to stay away from. So this can easily be added to any forklift in your fleet. There are two of these units here, and they are magnetic. So they go on both sides of the mast there. And you'll see here that we have that yellow strobe that shows somebody off to the side that there is a forklift, but it also has this green light up on the top. Now that green light shines all the way up to the ceiling, and it is fantastic for helping pedestrians to see that a forklift might be coming around a corner or around a blind spot. And we also have on the front two settings of LED headlights. Now the bottom LED headlight kind of shines light out in front, and then that top one really helps to illuminate any racking that you might be going in and out of. And then of course we have this red side curtain light. This is where that projects from right here, and it goes all the way along the side until it matches up with the light from the red arc. And that red arc goes all the way around the back of the forklift. This really helps to show a pedestrian exactly where that forklift might be moving if it's maneuvering around. Now, we keep these in stock. We have these available for you. Just call our parts department at 1-800-435-2449 or visit us on the web at williamstoyotalift.com, and be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you can stay up to date with equipment that we have available, as well as other features that you need to know about.